So, hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, mahigit 1 month na din po kasi na nasa enhanced community quarantine ang Luzon. So, nag-isip kami ng paraan kung paano namin mapapaganda yung aming kitchen. Medyo Jurassic na kasi yung kitchen namin eh. So, enjoy watching guys kung paano namin siya na-transform into presentable one. Please don't forget to hit like, also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
But you know that you drive me crazy. But it's one of the things I like. Cause I know when you need it, baby, then I got that ooh, that'll keep on talking. But it don't matter what they say, cause you know when you hear me knocking, gonna get that ooh. I've been doing stupid things, wilder than I've ever been. You become my favorite sin, so that'll keep on talking. That's right, we got that hood love.
So guys, ayan na ang aming after. Medyo gumanda na siya. Ayan, kita nyo naman. So ayan na po ang aming new kitchen. Ayos na siya. Okay na. Ganda na. Hi guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hi guys, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay at home.